The HP 15BW is an affordable 15-inch laptop with some style. It has nice display, an ultra-fast drive, and an elegant chassis that looks very attractive. We can commend HP for putting only HD display on the 15BW. Some laptops in this size settle for 1080p displays.
The matte HD display is sharp and easy to use when you are outside, but although the screen reproduces fairly well color gamut, it makes some other compromises in quality with lack of vivid colors.
Also, the screen isn't the brightest when compared to the similar laptops. You can expect a laptop in this price range to have a good audio, but in terms of bass, you still need external speaker for house party. The HP 15 will be solid for streaming videos and listening to music while you're surfing. When you're opening the lid, you can be blessed with a black deck with a subtle crosshatch design and a black chiclet style keyboard.
This laptop is made of excellent ABS plastic, covered with black diamond textured pattern with shiny black HP's logo.
And a lot of port. The left side has an Ethernet jack, USB ports,
HDMI,
and the mic headphone combination input. On the right side is an SD card slot, another USB and DVD drive. On the battery test, which involves continuously surfing the web over Wi-Fi, the 4-cell battery lasted almost 6 hours, but it should last up to 11 hours when our settings are in eco mode. The touchpad is accurate and comfort. It's built right into the deck, which looks nice. The two shift buttons are used for left and right clicking. The undercover accountants will appreciate the full number pad on the HB keyboard, but the typing experience is still average. The chiclet style case have little flexibility, so if you wanna type fast, you will hit the button very quickly. For budget mainstream laptop, the dual-core CPU and SSD drive in the HP 15 performed well, with some tabs opening Google Chrome, one of which was streaming YouTube video, and Office Writer in the background. There wasn't lag when scrolling and switching between programs.
This computer wasn't meant for gaming. Its integrated GPU is good only for light web gaming or older PC games.
In the cooling area, you won't need to worry about the laptop getting too hot. It has good cooling around the touchpad and the spot between G and H keys. The HP laptop 15BW has a standard HD display and an elegant design with above average battery life, making it a good value. It provides commendable multitasking performance for the price. However, we wish the keyboard offered more flexibility and full HD display. The HP Notebook 15BW cost more than other similar laptops, but it managed to outperform them some of their best parts, making it an easy choice.